Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have some new items from Maniology. So as you guys may or may not know, I am a new brand ambassador for Maniology. I will go ahead and link the video up top explaining all of that, but I do have a discount code with them and they do send me some of their new stuff. So they just launched a bunch of new summer plates as well as polishes. So I did get one of their plates and then their set of polishes, and I'm super excited to share them with you. And I did already open both of these. I did these tropical vacation nails with them. So stay tuned. After I show you these, I'm going to show you the tutorial. But let me show you the new products real quick. This is one of the new stamping plates. This is M387. This is their Shake Your Palm Fronds plate. So it is a bunch of palm trees, palm leaves, perfect for vacation nails. And then they released a bunch of other plates as well. I think there was a frog one, a shark one. There was another tropical one as well. And then this is their Sunrays 3-piece summer stamping polish set. So let me show you these guys. These are super fun. So there is the 3 summer stamping polishes. So they are kind of like a multi-chrome finish, I guess you could call it. This one is sandbar. This one is pink and then it shifts to like an orange yellow color. This one is fish scale, which is a green that shifts to almost, I don't know, it's like a purpley orange. And then this one, which is seaweed, is a corally color that shifts to like a green blue. So with these colors, basically, if you put them over a light color, like a white, an off-white, you'll see the actual base color. If you stamp them over black, that's when you're gonna see that shift color. So like I had stamped some black with the palm fronds and then I put seaweed on top of it. So that's why you're seeing that green blue shift and not the coral that it is. So these are super fun. A couple different ways you can play with them. Again, the difference between on top of the black and on top of a lighter color. And then you can use these as just a topper as well. If you want to just paint your nail white and then paint this all over to get this cool effect on your nails. So let me go ahead and get into the tutorial for these palm vacation nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. The first color I'm going to use is Madam Glam's Apple Bite. It is this beautiful bright green shade. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my pinky, my ring finger, and my thumb. The next color we're going to use is Madam Glam's Millennium. This is an off-white color. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on the other 2 nails. I am going to do 2 coats of both of these colors. Then I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Kiwi to My Heart, which is this beautiful lime green glitter. I'm going to go ahead and paint all of the green nails with this glitter on top. Now we're going to go in with some stamping. I'll be using the Maniology plate Shake Your Palm Fronds. And then for stamping polishes, I'll be using their black stamping polish, as well as the new Seaweed shade from the Sunrays collection. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tacky layer off my pointer finger and my middle finger where that off-white color is. And we're going to go in with black stamping first on my pointer finger. I'm going to stamp 2 smaller palm fronds, one on the top, one on the bottom. And then on my middle nail, I'm going to stamp the large palm frond. Now we're going to do a fun layering technique. I'm going to go ahead and cleanse off my stamping plate. We're going to go in with the same images. We're just stamping with that seaweed color, and we're going to stamp that right over the black. When you put that seaweed color over the black, it's going to show up a really pretty shimmery green shade, giving a super cool effect to the stamping. And it is a little hard to see that seaweed color because it is that shifting color, but with the clear stamping head, just try to line up the stem of the palm frond, and it should generally line up the whole image from there. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat my nails. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. Here's how my nails came out. They are super fun, bright, perfect for summer, for vacation nails if you're going somewhere tropical, Mexico, the Caribbean, anywhere like that. This set would be perfect for it. And I love how we layered that stamping on there, showing off that really cool multi-chrome type of a look for the palm fronds. So again, here is how my nails came out. They're super fun with that shift on there. Again, there's tons of way you can play around with this. Check out their website for more swatches of how they look over different colors. And check out their other summer releases. Remember, I do have my discount code with them. It's AmyNails10. There will also be a link in the description box down below. Thank you again to Maniology for sending me over these lovely new products. Make sure this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorial videos. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.